he's not like the rest. He's one of the best.
She's not like the rest, but she's definitely one of the best.
The sky was filled with clouds. My worried mind was filled with fear. I couldn't count on the lonely hours spent with memories and tears. I never thought I would see the day throw all my sorrow away. But then you came and you showed me the way. You have made all those times disappear. You changed my life in a moment, and I'll never be the same again. You changed my life in a moment, and it's hard for me to understand. With a touch of your hand, in a moment of time, all my sorrow.
Ano sabihin na kay John Lloyd talaga?
Hindi kasi parang feeling ko po in this business, no? Parang napakagalang ng mga taong makahanap ka ng isang katrabaho na ipaparamdam sa'yo na hindi ka lang basta katrabaho. Na hindi lang nababatiin lang kita dahil magkatrabaho tayo. Napakitaan kita ng maganda dahil may nakakakita. Kay John Lloyd, nabura yung perception na yun. Nagpapasalamat ako na si Lord na ito sa binigyan niya ako ng pagkakataon na makilala ko ng mas butis ang isang John Lloyd Cruz. Kumbaga, kahit pa paano naiintindihan ko na po yung pagkatao niya. At ako po, minamahal ko po lahat ng mga kaibigan ko. Hindi po kasi sabihin ko na mahal ko ang isang John Lloyd Cruz ay dahil may something na may something romantic going on between us. Mahal ko si John Lloyd Cruz bilang isang kaibigan. At ako'y nandito lang para sa'yo. Kanya, hindi ako nahihiyang sabihin yun kasi yun ang totoo.
Nag-iisa si Sarah.
Okay, nag-iisa si Sarah.
You changed so much in so many ways. I'm still surprised when I look in my mirror to see that I still look the same. You changed my life in a moment, and I'll never be the same again. You changed my life in a moment, and it's hard for me to understand. With a touch of your hand,
Bigat ang kamay niya eh.
Happy birthday!
Ganyan talaga yan.
You changed my life. I'll never be the same now. And it's hard for me to understand with a touch of your hand. In a moment of time, all my sorrow is gone.
Kung sakali bang si John Lloyd ay hindi pa committed sa isang babae, sa palagay mo may mabubuong relasyon? Pwede ba? May posibilidad ba na ma-inlove ka rin kay Sarah?
Opo.
Sinabi niya.
Diretso, oo.
Mapupol ka sa kanya kung hindi ka magkokontrol.
Ayun!
I never believed in love. I was deceived by love. I never had much luck with lovers before, and I couldn't compete. I seemed It's a feeling that's so totally new. Over and over, it's burning inside.
Parang gusto mong alagaan, gusto mong siguraduhin na okay siya, masaya kayo.
And it almost breaks me too, squeezing me tighter. But I'm never gonna let go.
We do things in our life na hindi naman nag-aantay ng kapalit. You know, we do things in our life na parang gusto mo lang gawin dahil you feel the need inside na dapat mong gawin. You know, and nang walang inaantay na kapalit. Salamat dahil may pag-asa pa pala akong makaramdam. Thank you. Para bang nagkakaroon ng reflection yung pag tumingin sa'yo, may reflection na parang hinahayaan mo na makita namin yung maganda sa amin. You know, yung hinahayaan mo yung sarili namin na tanggapin na we have this certain capacity na to make people like you feel special, and in return you make us feel double special. You know, so ayun, thank you lang, sobrang salamat, and na-conquer yung maraming issues in my life very much.
Sarah, may
You're not like the rest. I know you're one of the best.
Sa isang babaeng kagaya ni Sarah, hindi siya mahirap magustuhan, hindi siya mahirap mahalin. Bilang lalaki, ayoko naman sa itang tapos.
Stay always with me, and I always will be.
Sarah! On stage!
Person that you can count on always to love you, and I found a very special love in you. It's a
Number
feeling
one,
so
Gaya
totally
mo.
new. Over and
Number one ka rin sa
over,
akin, of
it's burning
course.
inside. I found a very special love in you, and it almost breaks me too, squeezing me tighter. But I'm never gonna let go.
Ang masabi ko lang sa lahat ng mga number one sa puso ko,
But
ingat.
I found a very special love in you. It's a feeling that's so totally new. Over and over, it's burning inside.
Alam mo ako.
Siyempre ikaw.
Yung power hug mo ako, ako na nga lang ang listos. Ang sarap naman ng power hug nito.
Pwede lang ako.
Squeezing me tighter.
Diba?
Napakasarap naman yung power hug niyan. Kailangan ko yan these days. Nako.
I love you!
Kinikilig ka, sinasabihan ka I love you.
Hindi, talagang mapagmahal yan si Sarah. Mapagmahal yan. And I think in return, nakukuha niya yung binibigay niya.